Want to change the language on your Audi A3 8Y Sportback from 2020 onwards? This video guides you through the MMI settings to customize your driving experience. It's a straightforward process to personalize your car's interface. First, start your Audi A3. On the MMI touchscreen, tap the Menu button, often represented by a grid icon. Next, select Settings, then General. Finally, choose Language from the options presented. Make sure your car is stationary before making changes for safety reasons. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the options and tap your desired language. The available languages depend on your region and software version, and typically include English, German, Spanish, French, and more. Note that right-to-left languages, like Arabic, are also supported in some markets. After selecting your language, the system might prompt you to confirm your choice. A system restart may be required for the changes to fully take effect. In newer models with updated firmware MMI 3G Plus v3.5 or later, you may experience a dynamic language switch without a full reboot. Since 2022, Audi's voice control system, Hey Audi, can be used to change the language. Simply say a command like change language to Spanish. However, voice recognition support varies by language. This offers a hands-free alternative to touchscreen navigation. Audi offers over-the-air updates for language packs. If your desired language isn't pre-installed, check for available updates via Wi-Fi. Ensure a stable internet connection for the download. OTA updates allow you to add languages without visiting a dealership. This feature, introduced in 2021, uses MMI 3G Plus firmware for remote installations and requires the vehicle to be stationary during the process. If the language change fails, ensure your car battery has sufficient voltage. Low battery can sometimes interrupt the process. In rare cases of corrupted updates, a dealer firmware flash may be necessary. Always refer to your Audi owner's manual for detailed instructions. The future of car infotainment is trending towards AI-driven, multilingual ecosystems. Expect real-time translation and augmented reality overlays in future models. Audi aims for universal language support via advanced connectivity, reducing regional barriers and enhancing the driving experience.